Hi, I'm Zoe Lyn from Fixin with Zoe Lyn, and today we're on week 4 of virus lockdown. So we're gonna take a break and make some barbecue. Usually we would use a smoker, but we can't go there today. So let me show you how to make perfect ribs on our gas grill. Before we light our grill, we're gonna fill up our smoker box. Today we're gonna be smoking with apple wood. We're gonna just cook it with the top off because we're gonna be cooking for so long, so we can just put it through the grates. Now I'm gonna fire up my grill. Now that we turned on our grill, we have to make our rub. We make a very simple rub. We're gonna use brown sugar and a blend of spices that I was told not to tell anybody what they were. Now that I didn't tell you my secret, we have to mix them all together until it's a paste. We're gonna use avocado oil. I'm so glad that my crew was so prepared for the lockdown that they got an extra bottle of avocado oil. I'm ready to show you my ribs. Last night I prepped them and removed the membrane, and then I soaked them in Coca-Cola overnight. That softens up the ribs. Now it's time to coat my ribs. I only like to coat the front side with the meat, but if you would like, you can do both sides. While I coat the rest of my ribs, I'm gonna put it on the hot grill. You can only put it on the hot grill for 10 minutes before it burns. I'll be back when all of them are on the grill. My ribs have been on there for about 10 minutes. Now I'm going to take them off and make my rib rack. I went to go and get my rib rack, and then I realized that it was with the smoker, so I didn't have one. So one of my crafty crew made this for me. Thank you. They made it out of one of these. So during the apocalypse, this is gonna have to do. The trick to making ribs on a gas grill is to have a half an inch of some sort of liquid in the bottom of the tin. We're just using the Coca-Cola that we already soaked the ribs in. Now we're gonna make a tent over the ribs and make our own smoker. I'm done making my tent. I left it so I can put more wood chips in. And that the smoke will go in there and make its own smoker. For the next 4 hours, we're gonna keep it between 250 and 300 degrees. Every 30 minutes, I'm gonna come out and put more chips in and get the ribs wet so they don't burn. See you in 30 minutes. Now that it's been 30 minutes, I'm gonna add chips and wet my meat. My crew told me that my meat mixer is with the smoker, so I'm gonna have to MacGyver something up. I don't know who MacGyver is or what that is, so I'm just gonna rig something up. I put Coca-Cola in my spice container, and I'm gonna use it as a water can. See you in 30 minutes. We're on the last hour. I've been putting new chips in and getting them wet. I flipped them a couple times and now I have to flip them again. They look amazing. We have to make sure that they're at 170 degrees so they're safe to eat. We're gonna keep it at 170 degrees for the last hour. We're gonna tent it one more time and put the last chips in. Now that the hour is up, we're gonna take them off the grill and let them rest for 20 minutes. But first we have to do my favorite part, the bone test. They're off the bone perfect. Usually I would turn off the grill, but now I'm going to turn it to high because in 20 minutes some people are going to want some sauce. I cut a piece off so you can see that you can get a perfect smoke ring with just a gas grill and not a smoker. Now that they've been sitting for 20 minutes, I asked what everyone wanted, and everyone wanted Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna use that. You put them on the grill. Put barbecue sauce. And then spread it on there. Those are going to be on there for about 5 minutes. You've been watching Fixin' It with Zoe Lyn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye!